How did you begin?
I decided to join a specialized training institute. I got a really positive feedback. So that is where I came across Networkers Home.
Coming from a completely different background might have been challenging for you.
I'm ready for any challenges.
How was your journey?
Since I was from a different background, it was really challenging for me.
What was your strategy?
The basic answer that you should give should be beautiful. Keep a group of friends, like either 2, 3 or 3 to 4. That will really help you to discuss and clear all the topics after the class.
Did you get your dream company?
Keep yourself motivated. Go for the Networkers Home.
Dreaming of a career in IT, but don't know where to start? At Networkers Home, we have guided a number of students from completely different backgrounds into top IT companies. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, where the students share their success stories. And today, I'm joined by Divesh, who did his graduation from mechanical engineering and landed a job opportunity in Barracuda as a technical solutions engineer. So let's hear it from him. First of all, thank you, Divesh, for joining us today.
Thank you, sir.
Now, please share your journey. How did you begin? How was your graduation?
So I'm Divesh Kulekar. I completed my graduation from a mechanical stream. Then I got an opportunity to work in an organization as a technical support engineer for a web hosting services. It's a product. So that is where I wanted to upskill myself into the networking and security domain. So I decided to join a specialized training institute. So that is where I came across Networkers Home, and I joined and enrolled for CCIE Security program. And currently I have completed CCNA, CCNP and CCIE Security modules, and got an opportunity to get interviewed for a particular company.
You know, coming from a mechanical background and joining as technical support engineer, how did that happen?
Basically, I was placed from my college itself as a technical support, as I had a keen interest in the IT domain itself.
Okay.
Even my project was related to IT sector itself, specifically related to ML and all. But I gradually I got an opportunity as a technical support engineer in an organization.
Now, when you said that you wanted to enhance your knowledge, you want
Yes.
to gain more and more about IT and networking, then you might have searched for a number of institutes,
Yeah, definitely.
right? You might have researched and might be you inquired there, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Or maybe you visited.
Yeah, sure.
Then why Networkers Home? Why your search stopped at Networkers Home?
So, while I was researching for multiple institutes, there were like several institutes providing the same training. So I got a list of training institute upon which I specifically looked on the Networkers Home. I reached out to the seniors who were already done their CCI security program from this particular institute and were placed successfully. So I reached out to them through the LinkedIn. So when connected and when I spoke to them, I got a really positive feedback in terms of whether it's a quality of training or whether it's in placement. So after communicating to a lot of people, and also I discussed with this with the Amit sir also during the admission, and also I was fully satisfied by what Networkers Home was providing to me. So yeah, that is where I decided to join Networkers Home.
Okay, you did quite a research
Yeah.
before joining here.
Sure.
That's really good. But again, what built your confidence into the IT and networking or joining for CCI Security? Because, coming from a completely different background might have been challenging for you.
So I was working for a previous my organization as a technical support engineer, as we know. So that is where I used to deploy SSL certificates for the customers, and also I had I was working on certain TXT or TXT records basically that we need in DNS records.
India.
So that is where I got to know about the security concerns, how customers are facing the issues related to security, and I see the lot of potential in this specific security domain. So that is why I wanted to upskill myself into the same domain, and as well as the security part was really interesting for me.
That's great. That's great. How was your first experience coming here and joining Networkers Home?
When initially I visited the institute for the admission, by looking at the posters that are there, like getting a great packages, like there are several candidates who have achieved a very great packages and got placed in a very well company. So that is where the first it was the first thing that attracted me.
Okay, that's great. Looking at the posters for a good package and being there, being in one of them.
And also
Is-
this lab that I saw when I came for the interview, that the lab was really fascinating. thing that I saw. Yeah.
That's great. And you just saw the people or the students in the posters, and then you made yourself there.
Yes.
That's quite a, I'll say achievement itself. So what do you think about those? Again, you mentioned posters and packages. So what do you think about them? Now you are also one of them. How do you
Yeah,
feel?
sure. I'm really feeling excited for the new opportunity. Yeah, I'm ready for any challenges that I'll be getting in the
That's
future.
great. How was your journey?
From initially when I joined Networkers, I started my journey with the CCNA,
Mhm.
wherein I learned a lot of networking fundamentals and technologies from Jatin sir. So then gradually I came to CCNP, where I have learned in depth in routing and switching, which was basically taken by Ajay sir, which was really a great experience. That's you. And
Thank you.
then I went to advanced module, which was taken by Nikun sir, which was really helpful for me understanding the real world scenarios and topologies.
Correct.
And then gradually I came across CCIE Security program, where the most of the security modules was taken by Sushil sir, and also the VPN module that was taken by again Ajay sir. That's you, and
Thank
it was really helpful for me in understanding concept really clear. So yeah, and also some of the multi-vendor firewalls was also taken by uh, Nikon sir as well. Yeah, so overall my journey through the networkers home was really great and really challenging and practical.
Okay, you're coming from a different background. Was it challenging for you? And if you faced any challenges, how did you overcome?
Since I was from a different background, it was really challenging for me initially when I joined my first company. Then gradually I got a certain idea about how IT infrastructure works, how internet works, like what are the background things that really happens behind the domain name and
Correct.
all. So, but still I was lacking somewhere in the security part, whether it's a fundamental part, I was really lacking. Since I decided to join Networkers Home, and also while coming the when I started the journey with my Networkers Home journey, it was really again it was really difficult for me. But gradually, since we have a very great and practical trainers who are really qualified and certified, so they really helped me a lot in understanding the concepts in a clear way.
Other than technical trainings, what else helped you prepare for the interviews?
Other than technical trainings, we also have a technical sessions, which is like most important for any interview. So before you attend any interview, or let's say before attending a mock interview as well, you need to go through technical session where you get to know how to answer in an interview,
Exactly.
how you should structurize your answers, like what you give us, like what, why, and how. So we
Correct.
should understand that structure, and yeah, you will be able to answer a lot of things with this particular structure itself, and also like how you should judge an interviewer while answering like what kind of answer he needs.
Exactly.
Yeah, that also really helped me. And also coming to the we also have this communication class as well, wherein it really helped me because I was a nervous guy, and also I had a really stage fear, which I came across with the help of group discussions that was happening in the communication classes, or whether, and also I was not able to introduce myself initially. I was not knowing the actual structure of how to introduce.
Exactly.
So even that thing I learned from the communication class, and also building a great resume that could be shortlisted, because
Exactly.
I believe a resume is the first impression to
Exactly.
any interviewer.
How did you prepare for the interviews? What was your strategy?
Yeah, basically I got a strategy by attending the technical session itself again, because I have attended 2 to 3 interview prep
Sessions.
with different trainers. So I got to know how different trainers approach. Like like corrected all the approaches
Correct.
together, and the most approach that I took is like from Ajay sir. That's you, like prepare your own materials, the set
Exactly.
of highly like mostly as interview questions, so that the basic answer that you should give should be beautiful.
Correct.
Because yeah, other thing is just the add-on like scenarios and other stuff are add-on, but at least basic things you should be able to answer really
Exactly.
beautiful, so that you will get by maintaining a document, or we can say maintaining a PDF or anything.
Anything.
You should keep up a notes of mostly as interview questions. So I prepared that, and just like if I had interviewed 2 days ago, I had to just go through that, and I was ready for the interview.
That's great. So can you elaborate your rounds? How many rounds you went through? What kind of questions were asked? And how was your interview experience?
Definitely, sir. Like, so yeah, once my resume was shortlisted, I got a call from the HR. So it was the questions related to my previous experience itself. Then I got shortlisted for the first round. First round was the technical round. Yeah, where they will be digging you on TCP, IP, DNS, DHCP, and more often, since I was giving for a specific company, I was digged in email security and email
Exactly.
questions itself, and that really helped. Like the mark that I gave to you before giving to that company.
Correct.
So that really helped me, and even I would suggest students, like whichever company you are getting shortlisted or whatever it is, just try to request a trainer and arrange the interview for yourself for with respect to that particular JD. So that will be really helpful for you. So that is one thing. And then the manager round. In managerial round, yeah, they'll be generally checking your presentation skills. They will give us some topic or any topologies to explain on the board. So they will, yeah, basically check your this thing, presentation skills and in-depth knowledge related to that, like not theoretical. So manager round is all about your practical knowledge.
Exactly.
And then finally the HR round, which will be generally checking your communication skills and interest towards the company and how long you can survive.
Did you get your dream company?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Like I had a list of 4 to 5 companies in which Barracuda was at the top, and really I achieved that company itself.
So it's like a dream come true for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Didn't you ever feel like, let's not study today, I'll do it tomorrow?
Yeah, I have literally felt that like in between the my journey, generally on like routing and switching and taking the when I was taking the advanced part. This generally happens when you don't know what task you need to do for that particular day. So I started like listing all the topics, or we can say the list of tasks that I need to do for this day. Yeah, so that is where, like, right after waking up in the morning, you just write it down whatever you want to do for throughout the day. So yeah, that will really help you to achieve the target for that particular day, or else the day will be unplanned and you will simply end up with postponing, or we
It's
can
really nice, and planning your day already is really helpful.
definitely.
You should always pre-plan your day. Write down whatever the things are there, as Divesh mentioned, right? You wake up in the morning, think about what is it that you want to achieve today, because your day should be planned. If you do not have plans for your day is ruined. As simple as that. So you should always plan your day, and this is really a good advice from you, Divesh.
Thank you, sir.
I hope everybody will get benefited from it.
Definitely.
So, how was your overall experience with Networkers Home?
First of all, coming to the technical stuff and learning things, the trainers really helped me a lot and really helped me in clearing all my concepts that I had doubt in it. And also the communication classes where Clara ma'am really helped me in improving my communication skills and the presentation skills as well, and also helped me a lot with resume heads also. And also I would suggest, like, keep a group of friends, like either 2 3 or 3 to 4, that will really help you to discuss and clear all the topics after the class. Yeah, so that is, like, since I had a certain 2 to 3 people of group, it really helped me in clearing all my concepts and doubts.
This is another good advice you have given, actually. You should keep a group, but the group also should not be too large that you completely get distracted, right? Your group should be only of enough size. I think 3 to 4 number or 5 number is a really good number. But if you keep more than that, everybody will have a different perspective, right?
Yeah.
So not everybody will be in the zone at the same time. You should be in a group with the people you get synchronized. Okay. And when I say synchronized, it should be related to your academics, right? Any advice for the people who are watching your success story?
Yeah, so definitely, first of all, keep yourself motivated. Don't see the opportunities are less or opportunities are high. Just keep yourself ready, because the opportunity can like whenever, like, can anytime like knock your door. So you should just be prepared. To be prepared, you can just keep up, like you can give several mock interviews. You can keep up your own materials, which will have consist of mostly asked interview questions as well. So which you can prepare just day or day, like 2 days before the interview, which will really help you. So I would suggest that particular trick, or we can say strategy. And yeah, improve on your communication skills as well, because I noticed even the communication skill is really
That's very
a
important.
lot
Yes.
important.
Correct. Would you recommend Networkers Home?
Yeah, definitely I would recommend the Networkers Home, because Networkers Home is an institute which really shaped my future or the career by giving me opportunity in a very good company. So I would really suggest go for the Networkers Home.
We are really happy to see you be in your dream company, and I wish you all the best on behalf of Networkers
Thank you,
Home.
sir.
So this was Divesh's journey from mechanical engineering to technical solutions engineers in one of his dream company, that is Barracuda Networks. If you want to be the next one, join Networkers Home and want to see who is next in the success story and want to see whose success story is next, stay tuned and follow Networkers Home. I'll come up soon with another success story.